Hello, my name is Giovanni. I am one of the sales managers at Shaler Honda, and today I will be teaching you about your shift-by-wire transmission. Okay, this is your shift-by-wire transmission. Now, this works exactly how your standard lever transmission would work, except they're just going to be buttons. So a lot of people get overwhelmed because they think it's this whole difficult process. It actually is very, very easy and simple. So just like you would a normal shifter, you're going to put your foot on the brake and you're going to hit any button that you're looking to go into. So if you're going into drive, put your foot on the brake, hit the drive button. Same thing with reverse as well as park. So as long as your foot is on the brake, you can transition through any of the gears very easy. Okay? Now, a safety feature that I really like on the shift-by-wire transmissions is if you ever turn off the vehicle while it's in drive, it'll actually transition itself into park for you. And to show you, so the vehicle is in drive now, we're gonna turn off the car. The first thing you're gonna notice is that the lights are gonna light up on the P, indicating that the vehicle is now in park, and now you can step out of your vehicle without a problem.